Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video. So I am changing a fan on the on a 2005 Honda Element, and everything is pretty simple except for one thing. So basically, I'm changing the passenger side fan. There's two of these. I think the one right here on the driver's side was changed out because it looks different from this, and I think this is probably the original, so I got that right there from eBay. But like I said, everything's pretty simple. Screws here, bolts here. Take this off, take this off. What you're gonna do is pretty much have to take this off. I mean, that's how I'm looking at it. You gotta take that off to get the fan out and to put the new fan in. Unfortunately, I ran into one big issue, which is the bolt at the very end that holds this part. So it won't lift up unless I change that. And Honda didn't make that very easy getting it out. You know, there's a reason why I don't... Well, I haven't been a fan of Hondas. I mean, this car has like 250,000 miles on it. It could be because this car has that kind of mileage. Because, I gotta tell you, I'm not a fan of this car in general, to be honest with you. But I'll probably do a video sometime in the future on that. I mean, I like the way it looks. It's a little bit too small, and ergonomically it's not that great. It's not as good as it's supposed to be, as it's advertised. But so basically, now what I gotta do is I gotta take the bottom off to get to get to the nut. You know, I thought I could do it from the top, but apparently the gas filter is in the way. I mean, I took the bolt off of that, and it's still in the way. So I gotta go to the bottom, and I gotta take all this crap off. And I don't think any of the stuff on the bottom has been taken off before, because the plastic clip-ons are really difficult to take off. And man, they could have just put a hole right around that area where the bolt is, but they didn't do that. So, and you know, this job should be like a rather easy job. Instead of being a really easy job, that one bolt is making this job really a pain in the butt. But that's the way it's designed. I mean, this fan has two bolts holding it. It's loose, and if I had enough space, I would take it off. And I was thinking maybe I could push this aside and then just take it out that way, but probably not. I mean, probably not, because this thing, if I was able to move this up and then push it aside, I might be able to do it, but this fan's in the way. But I'm making a video for this particular situation. One thing I ran into is these bolts that's connected to a nut that's connected to the radiator. I've worked on a couple Hondas, and it's a common thing where these bolts just are so rusted that it's connected to the radiator, the plastic, and that plastic is not strong enough to hold the nut. So what happens is the nut spins, the bolt spins, the nut spins. So you have yourself a little situation. I was lucky where I was able to get that nut off without a problem. But this nut right here, all I need is one to hold it in place. This nut right here, I can't. You know, But I've ran into so many of these situations with these nuts connected to the radiator on Hondas. So, but pain in the butt. Hopefully I get this done within the next 30 minutes. But alright guys, take care. Guess what, guys? So the fans, the left and right side, they're not the same fan. It's a pain in the butt. Unbelievable. So I did, you know, I've been trying to get this fan out for like the last hour and a half. It turns out it's not the right fan that I got. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to put everything back together. And man, why does Honda do that? Somebody please tell me, why would Honda do that? I mean, you could actually get, you know, put like two fans of the same fan. You guys could actually put two fans, like, I mean, asymmetrical fans, man. Come on. But regardless, this job is a pain in the butt. For one reason, and it's that bolt. So I was able to maybe like, I was able to move this little panel right here without getting a bolt. I was able to move it. But then the other thing is, this fan has a wire that runs along the bottom, and I'm gonna have to get like something to pry that the plastic little brackets off on the wire. Like, you know, pain in the butt. Like, this stuff is just, you know, rudimentary stuff. You know, you'd think Honda would maybe be a little bit more, you know, what's the word for it? They'd be a little bit more smart about putting, you know, making this a lot easier than it is, to be honest with you, putting stuff in the right place and stuff like that. But damn, darn, pain in the butt.